Hello and welcome back. Today we're looking at problems like this one. What is x? Well, you can start by guessing. Let's say guess it. Let's guess that x is 1. That would be 9 divided by 3, which is 3. This would be 4 divided by 7. Those don't equal each other. The answer is not 1. Next guess. Let's try 10. 9 over 30 equals 4 over 16. Oh, we're getting closer here. Well, anyway, I don't want to guess. Let's just find out using algebra. But Mr. Abden, I remember Algebra 1. You add things to both sides, you multiply both sides by things. But I don't know, I can't multiply both sides by x plus 6 to get it out of there, could I? Oh, yes. But what, and let's multiply by something else to get rid of this at the same time. In fact, all our hard work from last week, we were multiplying by all the denominators over all the denominators. That's going to help us out now, except because it's an equation and not just an expression, we can now just multiply by all the denominators over 1. We're trying to clear them all out. Sometimes you hear people say things like clear the denominators. This is what they're talking about. Those are the denominators over 1. And we have to do the other side, x plus 6. Now, last time we did something like this, we said we had to do a special form of 1, where it was the denominators over themselves, which is just a fancy 1. This time we're actually multiplying by a quantity. If we distributed it, would be 3x squared plus 18x. Or said differently, x plus 6 times 3x. That's a thing. It's not 1. We're multiplying by that thing. And are we allowed to do that? Well, yes. It's an equation. Okay, 1 second. Get back. Huh? Yeah. Okay, sorry about that. Are we allowed to multiply by x plus 6 times 3x? Yes, as long as we do it on both sides of the equation. Right? This is an equation now, so we get to use all the power of equations, including if both quantities are equal, and they are because of the equal sign, so 9 over 3x and 4 over x plus 6, they're the same thing. They equal each other. And now we're just multiplying by the same thing, so they will still be equal. But now we have to do the actual work of actually multiplying. So here we go. On this side, the 3x and the 3x make a 1, and we get 9 times x and 9 times 6. I think I'm going to write it as 9 times x plus 6. I'm not going to multiply it out. Because lots of times they make us factor stuff, and I'm just going to leave it factored. We could multiply it if we wanted. What about the other side? This time, the x plus 6 is equal to 1. I mean, it balances itself out. And we have a 12x on top. Okay. I regret not multiplying this out now. I will make it 9x plus 54 minus 9x, and 54 equals, oops, what's going on there? How it's not scrolling? How come we're not scrolling today? This is not good. Uh-oh. I think I picked some numbers that don't divide evenly with whole numbers. Oh well. Just kidding, I did. So continuing the problem. 18, x equals 18. Oops. Throw it back in. Well, it would be 9 over 54 equals 4 over 24. Those really the same? That can't be right. Did I do that right? Oh, they're both 1/6. Oh, okay. It does work. Ta-da! Now in your homework, you're going to see use cross multiplication. You do not need do this instead. It's better than cross multiplying. It's multiplying both sides of the equation by the same thing. What is that thing? It's all the denominators. What happens when you multiply? Some of them cancel, and then you multiply the other ones, and da 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 d.